Imagine a vast library containing almost all the text ever written. Now picture an intelligent being capable of reading, understanding, and learning from this immense collection of information. This, in essence, is ChatGPT, a powerful language model trained on a massive dataset of text and code. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT utilizes the revolutionary technology of artificial intelligence to communicate and generate human-like text. Think of it as a sophisticated chatbot, but instead of pre-programmed responses, it generates text on the fly based on the information it has learned. This means you can have conversations with ChatGPT, ask it questions, and even instruct it to write different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, and more. It's like having a tireless assistant who can access and process information at an incredible speed, always ready to help you explore the vast universe of language. Just like communicating with another person, interacting with ChatGPT requires clear and effective communication. However, instead of spoken words, we use prompts, written instructions or questions that guide ChatGPT's responses. Think of a prompt as a set of coordinates you input into a spaceship's navigation system. The clearer and more specific your coordinates, the more accurately the spaceship will reach its destination. Similarly, well-crafted prompts are crucial for getting the desired results from ChatGPT. Vague or ambiguous prompts can lead to confusing or irrelevant responses. On the other hand, specific prompts that clearly state your intent and desired format will enable ChatGPT to understand your needs and deliver accurate and relevant results. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's only as good as the instructions it receives. Mastering the art of prompt engineering is key to unlocking its full potential. Now that we understand the importance of clear prompts, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of ChatGPT and see how it can be applied in various scenarios. Imagine the possibilities when you ask ChatGPT to assist you with different tasks. For instance, you could ask it to write a short story about a time traveler who meets their younger self. This could be a fun and creative way to explore storytelling, allowing you to dive into imaginative narratives and develop unique characters. Or perhaps you need to streamline your workflow. You can ask ChatGPT to create a Python script that automates a repetitive task on your computer. This can save you time and effort, making your daily tasks more efficient. If you're a student or just curious about complex topics, ChatGPT can help simplify them. For example, you can ask it to explain the concept of quantum mechanics in simple terms, making it easier to grasp intricate scientific ideas. For the creatively inclined, ChatGPT can be a source of inspiration. You could ask it to compose a song about the beauty of the natural world, blending poetic lyrics with musical themes to create something truly special. In the realm of academia and research, ChatGPT can be invaluable. Imagine needing to translate a complex scientific paper into plain English. ChatGPT can break down the jargon and present the information in a more accessible way. These are just a few examples of the diverse range of tasks ChatGPT can assist with. Its versatility makes it a powerful tool across different domains. From creative writing and technical tasks to educational assistance and language translation, ChatGPT's capabilities are vast and varied. Whether you're a student looking for help with your studies, a professional seeking to enhance your productivity, or simply someone curious about the power of AI, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool. Remember, the key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential is to be specific and clear in your prompts. Providing enough context and information ensures that ChatGPT understands your needs and delivers the desired results. So go ahead, explore, and see how ChatGPT can transform the way you work and create. Section 4. Guiding the cosmic dance, refining responses and follow-up questions. While ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, it's not perfect. It can generate impressive responses, but sometimes the initial output might not be exactly what you're looking for. This is where the art of refining your prompts and asking follow-up questions becomes crucial. Sometimes the initial response might not be exactly what you're looking for. You might find that the answer is too vague, too detailed, or simply not aligned with your expectations. This is perfectly normal and part of the interactive process. That's where refining your prompts and asking follow-up questions come in. By tweaking your initial query or adding more context, you can guide ChatGPT to produce a more accurate and useful response. Think of it as a dance between you and ChatGPT. You lead with a prompt, ChatGPT responds, and you guide it further with follow-up questions or requests for clarification. This back-and-forth interaction helps in honing the output to better meet your needs. For instance, you could ask it to make the story more suspenseful. If the initial story lacks tension or excitement, a simple follow-up can transform it into a gripping narrative. For instance, you could ask it to make the story more suspenseful. This can add layers of intrigue and keep the reader on the edge of their seat. Or simplify the code further and add comments. This is particularly useful for developers who need clean, understandable code. By refining your prompt, you can ensure the code is not only functional, but also easy to read and maintain. You might also say, provide an analogy to explain quantum mechanics. Analogies can make complex topics more accessible, and a well-crafted prompt can help ChatGPT generate a comparison that simplifies the concept. Or make the song more upbeat and add a chorus. Musicians can use this to enhance their compositions, making them more engaging and memorable, and even focus on the key findings of the scientific paper. This can help researchers and students quickly grasp the most important aspects of a study without getting bogged down in details. This iterative process helps you fine-tune the output and achieve the desired outcome. Each interaction is an opportunity to improve the response, making it more aligned with your specific needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and follow-up questions. The more you interact with ChatGPT, the better you'll understand its capabilities and how to guide its responses effectively. This experimentation is key to mastering the tool. The more you interact with ChatGPT, the better you'll understand its capabilities and how to guide its responses effectively. Over time, you'll develop a knack for crafting prompts that yield the best results, making your interactions with the AI more productive and satisfying. Section 5. Unlocking new realms, use cases across disciplines. The potential applications of ChatGPT are vast and span across various disciplines. This powerful tool is not just limited to a single field, but can be integrated into numerous professional and personal contexts, making it a versatile asset in today's digital age. Let's explore some exciting use cases that highlight the diverse capabilities of ChatGPT and how it can be a game changer in various domains. Content creation. From blog posts and articles to social media captions and marketing copy, ChatGPT can assist writers in generating engaging and creative content. Imagine a writer facing a tight deadline. ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas, draft initial versions, and even refine the language to ensure the content is compelling and polished. Social media managers can use it to craft catchy captions and posts that resonate with their audience, while marketers can develop persuasive copy for campaigns. Summarization. Need a concise summary of a lengthy article or document? ChatGPT can quickly extract the key points and present them in a digestible format. This is particularly useful for professionals who need to stay updated with industry trends but have limited time. By providing quick summaries, ChatGPT ensures that you get the essential information without wading through pages of text. Students can also benefit by getting summaries of academic papers, making their study sessions more efficient. Learning and education. Whether you're a student grappling with a complex concept or an enthusiast eager to learn something new, ChatGPT can provide explanations, examples, and resources to aid your learning journey. Teachers can use it to develop lesson plans, create quizzes, and even get ideas for interactive classroom activities. Online learners can ask ChatGPT for clarifications on difficult topics, making self-study more effective and engaging. Coding. ChatGPT can assist programmers by generating code snippets, debugging existing code, and even explaining complex programming concepts. For beginners, it can serve as a tutor, providing step-by-step guidance on coding exercises. Experienced developers can use it to quickly prototype solutions or troubleshoot issues, saving valuable time and effort. It can also help in understanding new programming languages or frameworks by offering clear and concise explanations. Productivity. From drafting emails and creating presentations to scheduling appointments and managing tasks, ChatGPT can streamline various aspects of your work and personal life. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can handle routine tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic activities. It can help draft professional emails, create visually appealing presentations, and even manage your calendar efficiently. This not only boosts productivity, but also reduces stress and workload. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT is transforming the way we work, learn, and create. Its versatility and adaptability make it a valuable tool across different sectors, enhancing efficiency and innovation. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and impactful applications to emerge. The future holds endless possibilities, and ChatGPT is poised to be at the forefront of this technological revolution, driving progress and creativity in ways we have yet to imagine.